Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti no inau. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenye skimba no fumura no itama.
Timu yangu ipi? Mgudaze. Ziri kupisa na skimbo. Bwezi yangu ana sinaje ziri kupisa chichecheto. Basacha pinda subscribe, like chichichichi. Ndozote amonsempisa timu yangu hapana.
Fears, despisers of those that are good.
A man who always disses, a man who always speaks evil of those that are good in God's eyes.
Traitors.
He is a traitor.
Heady. High-minded.
Yes.
Lovers of pleasures more than lovers of God.
You are going to see a man who loves pleasure more than he loves God.
Yes.
Yes.
Having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. From such, turn away.
So the reason why we are going to play these videos of this man, I want us to have people who love God, people who care about God, to turn away from this man. Let's look at the videos.
Mabubunya mangwepe masikia kobangwa ndaveku juve vavuva vavu akizereketia kurada mazai azoto akubebe zanto Bambaira station ok Baden station Bambaira bubunya nga kakaka hazika Daden ko munanga gwaza kugwata kukwekwe makwebedain indizu kurata akubamba masigade nda pepe ko divine station Aiden Stosh divine Gideon saying in the dividing of the divine station hack 1,000 puller of the million shillings in the Borden station of the Divine World Bank. Dokuni Miyasheke in the Beko station, Bekon Me Aiden Key, Bank of America. Dokundeleti ya kushakalande. Shumuna, Shomwana dokundi shekia kata. Nema pounds eguzangi ya kubaya. The 10,000 shillings of the Aiden Key. Bondi dokundi beina. Bondi dokundi beina. Bondi dokundi beina. Daka zondora tia kutora. Ndatora ndatera. Imo mubengere kuzangi ya kujeke. Zankwa pales. Parus. Divine parade in Kingdom Aiden Key. Paven egg. Dolaiden. Delayed. Timahashikapa. Datora musekia ratata. Dino Leiden station. Billion runs of the station case in the river of the Daniel Perezia. In the city of Elijah. Wakarote. Datora musekia londe. Million vein station of the Dolomite and Kidabai. Even 10,000 of the Biden station, even 100 Oaken Eden of the Aiden station, Tekoden Key. Ako, Ratai tatai reto. I own the little eye. Wavurwa mungwetia mungwete. Wavurwa mungwetia uveria nahase. Wavurwa ndokudi vuvu nyama ujenge. Wakazondia kutsenge. Jamina, jangwaya, wesheke. Dokutora shereni. Dakani paparata. Dokundi twanga neka uzuru. Iye ndiye kacho. Akani kecheni ya kutsuku. Hona kazura. Ndiko kakangenga. Dokundi keka. Nika mubata ari shereni. Ndakazobia kutete. Ndakazobia kutata.
Yeah. Pastor is laughing. Brother Nelson.
No sense about no pisa. Show at the same time. Yeah.
Aye.
It's just too much.
Now, brethren, this man is a clown. This man is just a loud squirrel who is all over the place, which are things that we have no interest in as the Church of the Living God.
Yes.
Our worry and our offense is derived from his misrepresentations of our God.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a blasphemy.
It's true.
And I can tell you today that he is not going to live long if he continues to do this.
Yes. He may go mad.
Yeah.
He is not going to last.
Yes.
Yeah, that's too much.
We don't have a beef with Passion Java.
Yes.
We don't see him as our enemy. He doesn't do anything that will qualify him to be our enemy.
It's true.
He doesn't have a doctrine. We can expose Makandiwa because Makandiwa preaches heresy. This one is not a preacher.
Yes.
He is just a comedian, a clown.
Yes.
Why we are talking about him today are the adults, the men and women
Yes.
you saw praying in these videos,
Yes.
ostensibly to the God of heaven.
Hey.
We have a problem.
Yes.
True. Indeed.
This man was not in any spiritual realm. There was no spirit involved.
Nothing.
These are just acts
Yes.
of mischief.
Pure theater.
Mischief,
Drama.
melodrama
Yes.
that is done in our God's name. And I can tell you today that God does not approve of this man's misconduct.
Yes.
Why doesn't he find other things to play with?
Oh, yes.
Why play with the name of our God? Why waste people's time? People who are looking for God.
Yes.
People who are hungry for God. People who desire God. To sit down, and you saw some, they were even sending money,
Yes.
putting money on that pulpit in God's name. Whilst he is speaking amplified nonsense. That was amplified nonsense.
True.
How do we have such a man being a celebrity in our nation? If we have people who love God. Think about it. After saying amen, after saying, this man is Mbinga, commenting on his blogs or on his accounts. You go into prayer to thank God and to ask God for something. You are clapping hands to a blasphemer.
Yes.
In the days of the law, anyone who blasphemed God, the whole nation of Israel, was required to stone that person to death.
Yes.
You were not going to enjoy. You were not going to ignore.
Yes.
You were not going to turn a blind eye.
Yes.
And say it's between him and God.
Yes.
Every child of Israel was each other's keeper.
Yes.
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 You were going to say, behave well, my brother.
Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Apana ere ane namba muponere zisore gondo. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Pane masele bagabuda offside nezuro. Eti noi now. Peshona kwete chindau. Zichiverengwa naye wenyu skimba no fumura no itama.